Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is a dedicated video on how to trade the spot market with 3COMMAS bots on OKX. There is a lot of market volatility at the moment, and there's a lot of liquidations occurring. It's a bit of a sideways market. This is the time that I personally like to trade the spot market. I'm going to show you my current setups with this, and you can trade as many of these bots as you want. It's completely up to you. And yes, of course, you can use the 3COMMAS bots on multiple exchanges. I'm going to go through it all. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video because it's really awesome software that literally allows you to make passive income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. These are literally set and forget. Let's get into the video. Stick around to the end, all right? Take care. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. This is 3COMMAS. I'm going to go over the website, the software, everything that you can do with 3COMMAS. Honestly, it's the best trading software there is on the market. I've been using it now for 3 years, which is absolutely incredible. And make sure you check it out. The referral links are below. If you are one of my incredible subscribers and viewers, you will get a discount to your membership, of course, with 3COMMAS, all right? Now, I just want to point out, I'm using the monthly plan. I'm using the Pro monthly plan. Again, there are so many features with this, and you can literally have 500 active DCA deals. That is enough, in my opinion. If you want to go to 2,500 active deals right here, that's insanity, but that's completely up to you. And of course, if you are wanting a custom plan where you can just go mega, so you can get a custom plan, so just email them. Or you can buy out the whole year. You will get a 25% discount on your membership. So it's completely up to you, whatever you wish to use. Seriously, it's the best trading software that I've used throughout my years of trading crypto. Right. Next thing you're going to need, of course, is a crypto exchange. I'm using OKX. I've been using them for, nearly 2 years, which is awesome. You can use whatever exchange you like. Now, I just want to point out as well that when you come to 3COMMAS, you can use the software on multiple exchanges. It's completely up to you. You don't necessarily have to use it on the exchanges I use. I use them on my exchanges, both because Gate.io and of course OKX, because they're incredible, exchanges. But obviously with the regulatory changes here in Australia with derivatives trading, I've had to move that over. Right, so coming over to the left-hand side, you can see dashboard just up here where my mouse is. And sorry, my computer's a little bit laggy at the moment, so I do apologize about that. Let me just close off some stuff here on the PC because it'll make it a little bit quicker. I actually don't know why it's lagging so much, but anyway, let's get into it. All right, so first things first, you want to connect your exchange, and that's the most important thing. Of course, I've got Gate.io and OKX on mine. You can use either exchange. Let me just come over here, and you can go add new exchange, so connect exchange. Come over here, so you can use 3COMMAS on Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, Binance TR, Binance US, Bitfinex, BitGet, Bitstamp, Coinbase Advanced, Gate.io, of course. I'm using Gate.io, Bybit, and OKX. Gemini, HTX, or I believe that's Huobi, and of course, Kraken. Now, see here, it actually says spot futures margin. That's on Binance. In Australia, you can trade with margin and futures, but the KYC is insane. Bybit is spot and futures. Again, OKX no longer has futures here in Australia. It's an absolute nightmare, but the spot market's still trading nicely. Just having a sip of a drink right now. KuCoin, spot trading. Spot, Bitfinex. We've got futures on BitGet. Bitstamp, spot. Coinbase Advanced is spot. Gate.io, yes, spot and futures. Gemini, spot trading. HTX spot and Kraken spot, all right? So there's a lot of issues with countries at the moment. But anyway, now, coming over here, you've got your dashboard. Yes, I haven't got much capital in here. There's been a lot of market liquidations, of course, but I'm just waiting to put more capital into this. So I'm focusing predominantly on spot trading because that's my main thing at the moment, given the extreme market volatility. All right, coming over here, we've got SignalBot. I mean, you can use the SignalBot if you wish. I've done many trials with this. It's incredible, and you can use ChatGPT or artificial intelligence to come up with a signal for yourself or a TradingView strategy. And by the way, you will need a paid subscription on TradingView for this. So that's like $20 a month here in Australia anyway, but I'm not sure what that is US, but it's not that much. So you can use either of these. These are both fantastic. Also, coming over to the left-hand side, again, where my mouse is here on the left, let me just move it around a bit for you. DCA bot is what I like to do. All right, now again, I've got a lot of bots set up on 3COMMAS trading on OKX on the spot market. Now, I'd like to obviously go through, the setup process to do that. Because again, there's a lot of market volatility at the moment, and spot trading is basically set and forget. And as you can see, there is currently 629,000 trading bots at the moment, with 26,383 people using them. So it's insane. There's a lot of people. Now you click long. Now again, once you've connected your exchange and you've funded it, of course, you need to do that. That's very important. You can do the standard. Method to set this up using the quick start right here, but I like to do the old school method, right? They did upgrade the trading platform, the web app, and I'm not sure why my PC is lagging this bad, but I do apologize about that. Coming down to edit settings, if my computer wants to load, let me just bring my receiver forward because again, it's having some issues right here. There we go. All right, edit settings. Let's just come down here. I want to trade as an example. Let's just set this up right now. In actual fact, let's do something crazy, right? I'm going to trade multiple pairs because you can do this with multi-bots. This is called a multi-bot. You can do single pairs on USDT or USDC, whatever you like. I'm trading with USDT, but let's just say I want to select, let's just select the top 10 as an example, right? Let's go Solana, Ethereum, Chainlink, Matic. Let's go AVAX. Let's go Doge. Let me just select Matic right here. Let's go Atom, Polkadot, GRT, Immutable X, Shiba Inu, Litecoin. Let's scroll down here as well. Aave, Phantom, Sandbox, of course XRP. That's a freaking given. Select. Let's go Uniswap as well. Let's go to Gala. Let's go here. Let's go Loopring, MakerDAO, Near Protocol, LidoDAO, Mana. Curve, we'll do a couple more. Axe Infinity, Chili's, DYDX. Let's go to EOS. What else can we throw in here? Of course, Toncoin and Sui, some gems right there. I could do them all, but I just love them all. Anyway, okay, so we've picked the pairs. We've got 33 pairs in this particular bot, this multi-bot. Now again, I'm trading long. You can trade this short. It's up to you. I like to leave them on long because, we're in a very early stages of a bull market. So again, I'm just going to set and forget these. Yes, I'm using indicator right here. And again, you will need to top up your capital. So the minimum here is 10.51 USDT. So you would basically put it in at, say, 12 USDT. Okay, I'm going to leave it on limit, but you can set this to market order if you want it to trade straight away. In actual fact, let's just do market order. Indicator right here as well. I want to use an indicator like an RSI, other technical indicators. So let's go to the indicator. And I'm going to adjust this as well because, again, I much prefer to adjust this in the old school way anyway. And I'm just going to click next. I'm not going to worry about this for the moment. Safety order size, I've done 12, so I usually double it to 24. It must be less than 10. All right, well, that's interesting. Let's just do that. This has changed. We'll set that at 12. Must be less than 12. Sorry, guys. Let me just bring this down here. This is new, so let's just go 10 point... I don't know. Let's just try 10.40. Let's see if this works. No. Must be or greater. I've done this at 24. Sorry, ladies and gents. Must be less than 10.51. Okay, it's having a moment. No, it doesn't want to work. Okay, it works. There we go. Sorry about that, ladies and gents. You get some issues right here as well. Now, just keep in mind that I've got my trading capital tied up at the moment. Let's just go next. I'm going to set this at 1.5% profit taking because I want my bots getting in and out of deals a lot quicker. Reinvest profits, I'm going to turn that off. Stop loss, I'm not going to worry about. Risk reduction, you don't need to worry about that. That's what me personally anyway. That's up to you. And I'm just going to let this go done. All right, so now I'm going to come over to this. See, on the main screen right here, you can see 33 pairs. All right, so I'm going to open this up. Let's open it up here, get rid of the survey. Now, this is where we get into the nitty-gritties of it, all right? So you come to the edit button, you click edit, and you can relabel this whatever you want. So 33 pairs long. I'm just going to go OKX, and I'm going to set today's date, which is the 21st of the 6th, 2024. And these are all the pairs down here. And again, you can add whatever you like to this. It's completely up to you. Now, based on how much capital, on the right-hand side, you've got a breakdown of the balance of what's, in your account, your current used amount, the max amount for bot usage as well, based on the current rate. So this is saying you got to keep in mind that when you come over to the left-hand side, you can see strategy, max active deals. If I've got 33 coins, which I do, I'm going to go 33. This is saying to me that this bot will need $1,436. Now, we're going to come back to that. Max safety order price deviations at 3% at the moment. And, of course, this is the balance in the portfolio, cash. He's saying it's going to use greater than 100%, of course. Anyway, let's come down here for the moment, then we'll get back to this table up here because that's important, right? Now, max active deals, I've got 33. The base order is going to be 12. Deal start condition. The reinvest profits, you can reinvest the profits back into your deals. It's up to you. I tend to leave them off. Deal start condition is an RSI indicator. That I don't touch any of these. You just leave that. That's 14 3-minute time frame crossing up. The signal value is 30. All right, standard RSI or relative strength index indicator. Now, take profit percentage of total volume. I've left it 1.5%. It's the little percent right there you can see right here. The reason for this is because I like to, get my profits a lot quicker. The larger this is, you can set this up to whatever you like. You can set this to like 15%. This will take ages to come out of profits. You don't want to do that. I like my 1.5%. 10 cents, 30 cents, multiplied by 24 hours a day, plus 33 altcoins. It's constantly trading, okay? Now, stop loss, I've left off. You can set this to whatever you like. There is a standard setting, a preset that, comes up when you've done this. Pretty straightforward. Now, this is an interesting one right here. Yes, I've set it to 10.5126. I'm not sure why. Normally, I like to go double. Because I like to double. That's just what I've been doing for the last 3 years anyway. So the safety order, I've doubled that to 24. Now, just see on the right-hand side here, this stays with you, but you can see the max amount that the bot's going to use is 2,772. Now, this is where it's going to get crazy. Keep an eye on the top right-hand corner. When you come to my settings anyway, so price deviation, again, I've been doing this for 3 years now. I've set to 2%. Safety orders in the book, I want 30. Now, again, coming over here, I'm going to set to 1 in the books at all time, right? So max safety order count is 30. You can drop this down if you want based on how much capital you want. So you can literally set it to like 5 safety orders. All right, so in actual fact, let's just do that for the moment, just so you can get a good idea. Or you can do 30, which is what I've been doing on all my bots, right? So 30, this is going to basically use up 24,156 USDT, okay? But again, when you drop that down, say you want maybe 10 safety orders, it's going to be 8,000 USDT. Or you can set it to 1. I wouldn't do 1, I'd do maybe 5, okay? Now, the thing you got to keep it as well is the max safety order price deviation. The market would have to drop 10%, which is very likely, meaning all of the cryptocurrencies would have to drop, 10% for you to be covered, meaning you're not going to lose your money. Now, again, excuse me, while I've done 30, there would need to be a 60% market correction. Do you need that amount of money in the bots? Yes, you would need something, substantial, but you don't necessarily need to have that in there, all of it. So you can just let it do its thing. Because the bots will still trade for you even if you haven't got 24,000 USDT, right? Now again, coming down to that, so I've basically got, sorry, I've forgotten this. So max safety orders count 30. Max safety orders count, you want 1 in the book at all time. If you were to do this at like 30, I mean, that's just going to chew up a lot of capital, so you don't want that, okay? So it means the bot will take up 1 deal at a time when the market drops. Safety order volume step scale, I set to 1.05. And now it's bot, you're basically saying it needs 53,000. Safety order step scale, I'll leave it 1. Now coming up to this right hand side, you've got a chart and a table. This basically explains how the bot is going to be used for each safety order, and there's 30 of them right here. So it slowly increases your position as the market drops. This is what happens with safety orders, okay? Now coming down to that, that's the safety order setup. Now advanced settings, I don't really play around with this much, but you can set this cooldown between deals to 120 seconds. That'll give you a valid signal, which is actually quite good. And that is pretty much it. You don't touch anything else. Simultaneous deals pair, you only want 1. You don't want the bot taking up multiple deals for the same coin. It's just ridiculous, and you'll have some issues with that. So just avoid changing that. And that is pretty much it. You come to your assistant. Yes, you get warnings because, again, I've only got available capital of $1.70 USDT. But you just click save. And then it should just work. Bang, it starts as well. So that bot's going to work. Now, again, I just want to point out, coming back to the main dashboard here for DCA bot, so you click the left-hand side. Now, coming down here as well, if you have not got enough capital in the exchange, the bot will switch off. All right, so just bear that in mind. Now, again, I've got 11 bots running at the moment, but yesterday when I came and set all of my bots up, I'm just going to go to OKX Spot. I've set up a substantial amount of trading bots, right? Coming down here, if I click 50, so you can see all of that. Let me just wait for this to load. My computer is driving me crazy today. But anyway, you can see down here. Okay, right. I can select all of the bots that I want to switch on because they're switched off. But you come down here, you can just switch them on. Really cool feature as well. If they continuously switch off, just try and switch them back on. This is the issue that I've had, been having, recently because, again, the low capital. And that's pretty much it. And you come to the right-hand side, you can see I've got 15 bots selected. And let's just go start, confirm. These should activate. There you go. And then active now is 26 bots, you can see there. Okay, so these are all the bots I'm trading. With the multi-pair bots, you don't need to trade individual coins. Okay, so just keep that one in mind. You don't need to do that. Because again, the multi-pair bots will automatically pick up all of these coins if you wish. So it's a pretty cool feature. Now coming over to the exchange, excuse me, this is OKX for me. By the way, the referral link for OKX is below. Pretty much this is it. So the orders are in the book down here. It's a bit of a funny one, this one, but you can see all of the deals coming up here as well, trading. And that is pretty much it. If I go order history right here, this gives you a breakdown as well. Now again, OKX has had major changes, but I'm still using it. And you can check all of the deals that have come through in your order center as well. So that's very important. But that is pretty much it. And Bitcoin is trading at $64,506. It's around about $98,000. So just bear that in mind, all right? That is pretty much it, bulls. So again, you can use this on whatever exchange you want. I use OKX and Gate.io to trade with leverage, but again, you can add whatever exchange you want. And that is pretty much it, bulls. Happy trading. Join up to the Wall Street Bull University. You can literally copy these. I'm going to post them up today. And have fun with it, and don't go too crazy with it. And just slow and steady. Very, very simple. Program to use. It does look a bit intimidating and complicated, but it's fairly straightforward, all right? Happy trading, and wish you guys all the best, all right? Take care of yourselves. Peace out.